Hello friends, this is Ernest. Today we are going to deal with the Glary utility 2, the privacy and security section. As you can see on my screen, the different features include the track eraser, which is to safely erase internet history, cookies, cache, and other traces of your activity, useful for protecting privacy on share or public computers. We are going to look at the file encrypter that locks your files with strong encryption, prevent unauthorized users from accessing sensitive data. We're also going to look at the file shredder, which permanently deletes files so that they cannot be recovered, even with recovery software, ideal when disposing of old document or sensitive files. We're going to look at file Undelete. Helps to recover files you deleted by mistake. Quick, effective, but recovery isn't always guaranteed. So we're also going to look at the browser assistance. It let you manage Internet Explorer add-ons, help restore settings if they have been hijacked by unwanted software, and the process monitor manager shows you what processes are running on your system. It lets you safely end tasks that are slowing your PC or behaving suspiciously. So without any waste of time, let's start with the first option, which is to look at the track eraser. Good. So you see, as I double click on it, it opens and it has found three privacy issues, right? Has found three privacy issues. So we can see here is window temporal files. These are the issue here. So if I click erase check tracks, then it will go ahead and warn me, are you sure you would like to erase track settings? You say yes. So you see it has erased. That's why we are having zero privacy issue. So that is fixed. That's the rule of that tool. So here you have the different tracks that classify. You have Windows tracks, you have Internet Explorer tracks, you have Google tracks, you have other things you can check to see exactly what is going on and erase them. Okay, our next option will be the file encrypter. So the file encrypter, you can encrypt and you can decrypt, right? So you can give a password to your file, and you can use advanced encryption option, create an auto decrypting execution file. I haven't tried that, but I think I've tried the first option and the last option, where you can say, okay, after encrypting, delete the original file after successful encryption, right? So when you come up here, so let's see how this tool works. Like I said, you can change the encryption level here. You have 256 and you have the bluefish and you have this. Let's take 256, and I'm going to add this file here to encrypt it. It's on my desktop. I'll take let me take that one. Now I'll put password there. I'll just put a password. Okay, I'll confirm my password. and I will say okay. You can give the number of time you want the encryption algorithm to run. I mean, this is when your password, if you enter the password 3 times wrong, then it's gonna kick you out. So now I say okay, after encrypting you should delete the file. So you see the file is gone, right? Now we come here, but this is the file created here on the desktop, this one here. So we're going to decrypt it. So we click on that file, open it. It's gonna ask us for password. So the password is there. See, the file is back. So we that option, that's how it works. Okay, now let's move to the next option, which is to shred. Wanna shred the file. I wanna shred this one. Let me see. We'll shred that one. So we just simply come here, add file. I wanna shred that file. Open, and then you say repeat the delete operation 3 times. So it will make 3 runs. Okay. So say you are about to erase all selected data on the list. You won't be able to recover this file using any undelete tool. You may have. Are you sure you want to continue? Yes. It's gone. So you can't get that anymore. Good. So that is shredded for file shredder for you. Okay, but this one I don't think I tried. Let me see. It's candid to have some files, but it's not too useful because I try to look at these are some of the files like the one on my desktop. Let me see. Let me see. I will just copy this, duplicate this, duplicate that. So let's delete this one and see if we can recover it. Okay, so let's see, restore. Okay, okay, select a destination folder. Let's restore it on the desktop. Okay, you see, so that one it has brought back the file. So the file undelete, that's what it does. But you can still come to this and restore it directly from here. Right click and restore. Okay, so whichever one is good for you, that's fine. And then I haven't used this one, but like I said, it worked for manage Internet Explorer add-ons, hijack restore. So this is hijack restore. Select whatever you want to restore and you just hit restore. If I select something like this option will come up. If I check this, it check all of them. You see that? So that's how it works. Okay, now let's go to services. something is I don't know why, but I'm not sure why it's going off, but you got the point, you know. So that's what this one is for Windows services, you know. So the advantage of this tool is that everything seems to be on the spot, so you don't go to search for them, they're already here for you. So friends, this tutorial has come to an end. The next tutorial will be on files and folders, and then system and tools, and we'll be done with this tool. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.